Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Beats Solo 4 only one side working. So what you'll need to do is basically find the power button. This tutorial will be very fast and I'm going to show you only in this picture. So find on the right ear cup the power button, and on the left you'll find volume down, volume up and B button. So click on volume down and power button and wait for the LED flash. You'll see the light right here, and basically you'll need to wait a little bit, and after that you'll be good to go. Your headphones will reset, you'll need to connect to Bluetooth again, and that should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.